May I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! Wow, that was so cringy. It's the 1st of January. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I must have let off about 10 party poppers trying to get that intro, and yeah, now I'm regretting it because it was very, very cringy. So let's get into the video. It is January. Some of you might know it as Veganary. So to celebrate Veganary, I am going to be doing a series of videos vegan related, and my first video to kick off January is going to be a full face of vegan makeup. As it's the first, I'm going to try and get this video up today. If you have any ideas of other videos I could do related to being vegan or vegan related, anything, comment down below and I will try to make it happen before January. Veganary is out. So, I'm going to kick off with my foundation. Morphe, they are a company that pretty much dedicated to being vegan and cruelty free, so I'm going to be using their foundation and concealer. I've used this before, amazing stuff, so I'm going to get into it. Just going to apologise now. I have used Google to find out information about what products are vegan, so apologies now if I get any information wrong or I'm using products that aren't vegan. Don't mean to disrespect people out there. This isn't to disrespect people who choose to be vegan or are vegan. I just thought it would be a good little month-long challenge thing to do, like different vegan related videos. So that is my meaning behind these videos. So, foundation. I hope you all had a stay in, stay at home, safe New Year's Eve. I did. Actually, I went to bed early. Did I go to bed early? Yes, because I could remember getting woken up by the fireworks. When I woke up and I could hear fireworks, I was like, yes, it's midnight. So, Happy New Year to everyone. So, foundation is done. Now I'm going to take the concealer and just conceal. So, foundation and concealer are done. Now, I was stuck with powder because my favourite one is the Rimmel London. No, is it Rimmel London? Rimmel. That is my favourite powder. But turns out it's not vegan. I couldn't find specifically if that one product was vegan, but it just kept coming up with saying Rimmel isn't 100% vegan, so I didn't want to use it. But a company that I do know is vegan is Revolution. Their products now that they've released are vegan, so I'm going to go in with this translucent pressed powder. So, powder is done. For my brows, For my brows, I'm going to use the Morphe kit, the eyebrow kits that do. I haven't tried this yet, so this is a 5-piece brow kit in the shade Java. So I'm just going to go straight in with the pomade and the brush that comes with it. Ooh, that's soft. I need a mirror. So here goes. So they may be slightly dark, but I'm not mad. I like them. Oh, I need to get a bigger table. There's just literally rubbish everywhere. So I'm going to go in my eyes next. I'm excited for the eyes. The palette I'm going to use is the Sleek palette. It's the palette Lucid Dreams eyeshadow palette. And can we just look at that? Wow. And who remembers from my last videos, I was going to do my nails, and that turned out pretty good. I like them. Nice and pretty. So, this is a very colourful palette. You've got 2 lines of mattes and 1 line of shimmers. So, I honestly don't know where I'm going to go. Oh my god. Confetti stuff everywhere. Oh, go away. So, where to start? I'm going to take this blue. It's like an electric blue. And just take it into a little bit. Take it into the top corner. Ooh, I am loving that. That is good. So, want to see if I can carry on that blend out with a lime green. I don't think I've ever started an eye look with the inner, like the top inner. Normally I start on the outside, so I'm going to take this lime green here. And just try and merge them into one. So now I'm going to take a different fluffy brush. I'm going to take the yellow onto the outer corner. Okay, there is a lot of green and yellow going on. So I'm going to mix it up with this like neon, I'd say it was a neon coal colour. So I'm going to take that. I think I'm going to use, am I going to use the same brush? No. I'm going to take a different brush and then go over the lid. Actually, I don't like that brush. I'm going to go back with the one I was using. Ooh, I am loving that colour explosion. So, I'm going to take this purple and go underneath the eye. I am loving that. That is a true colour explosion. So, I'm going to move on to the shimmers. First, I'm going to go in with the inner corner. I'm going to take this silver on top of the pink I've just applied down. Ooh, that's popping. Oh, I am loving that. That is a good shimmer. Now, I don't know what. What? I'm going to go with the gold on top of the lid. That's not doing anything. They'll go with my finger, maybe. No. Oh, no. That don't work either. What about this purple? Shall I try the purple or this, like, dark blue? I'm going to try the dark blue. This is where it's going to go wrong, isn't it? Because that's dark. These shimmers are rubbish. That silver was great, but no. Have to apply it with a finger. Okay, after a lot of playing, turns out the only good shimmer is the silver, which I've used on the inner corners. I tried it, first I tried the gold, that was non-existent. Tried the blue, very hard to put it on. Then I had to cover the blue over with, I had to use the purple to cover up the blue because the blue was patching not good. and now it kind of looks like a tie-dye fantasy. So I'm not hating it. It just didn't go to plan. Actually, I'm quite loving it, the way it's turned out. But I might use a highlighter to add a bit of shimmer on top of the lid. I don't know. Actually, yeah, I am. The highlight I'm going to be using anyway is this Makeup Obsession Mega Lightning. So I'm just going to take a bit of that on a bit of brush. Wait, what? A bit of this on a brush. And see what this does. Then with the same highlighter, I'm just going to go underneath the brow bone. So, finished with that. I am loving the way it's actually turned out. I'm just going to take mascara, which is somewhere around here. The mascara I'm going to use is the PS from Primark PS mascara. This is the False Lash Queen mascara. Not 100% sure I've used this yet, but I do know it's vegan. Mascara is done. Now I'm going to go in with bronzer. The bronzer I'm using is this Solate. I've had this for a while. I picked this up from Superdrug for one pence. But on the back it does say vegan. So this is the only bronzer that I had that I could find that was vegan. I'm not saying this is the only bronzer that I have. It's just it's the only one I could have that I could find if it was vegan or not. So, bronzer is done. Now I'm going to take the highlighter again, which is the Mega Lightning from Makeup Obsession, and go in with the highlighter. Highlighter is done. I am loving that turnout. So, I'm going to go in with lips. The lips I'm using is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics in shade Strawberry Crush. So to bring the lips to a finish, I'm going to use a gloss. Now this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics again in the gloss shade Dirty Royalty. And I am loving that gloss on top of that lip. I've got a spray here. This is from Makeup Obsession again. It's a glitter spray, setting spray, so I'm just going to do a quick spritz of that. I am loving that, the way that's turned out. So this is the final look. What do you think? It's turned out quite good actually. The pigment in this palette is really good. Well, the mattes are really good. Shimmers, not that good. Bit disappointed about the shimmers. Well, very disappointed about the shimmers. But the mattes, I am liking it. It kind of reminds me of like a hippie tie-dye t-shirt, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that is a full face of makeup using vegan products. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any other ideas for a vegan related video, drop it down below and I'll try to make it happen. So, thank you for watching. I shall see you all in the next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from my Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.